Oh, taking down, y'all! Tingnan natin guys kung may grades na tayo para malaman natin kung qualified na tayo maging scholar. Ay! Wala na yung streak ko. 98, 98, 1993. Hi y'all! School is done and it's summer, which means it's time to look for summer jobs. I'm here sa City Hall kasi, as I said, it's time to look for summer jobs. So, mag-aasikaso ako ngayon ng trabaho ba? Pero, I'm not sure. Balitaan ko kayo kung makukuha ko ba to or not. But we're hopeful. May i-inquire na ako today. Like, grabe yung urge magdala ng resume na ngayon, diba? Pero, hindi pa pwede. Outfit check. This is my semi-white polo kasi medyo color pink na siya. And then brown na tank top. And black pants and white shoes. And I have to go. Hanapin ko pa yung office. Bye.
Nagkakan or 2 hours after bago mag-uwi.
Parang before kumain. Hindi ko alam.
Pwede.
Basta yun ang point na magpa-ultrasound. Total, part naman siya ng aming benefits.
Sobrang sarap! Why don't you tell me where it hurts? Now tell me tonight. Tsaka man niya? Tsaka niya? Tayo kita. Everybody! Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. This baby love is here and now. There's two lonely people in the world. Hi guys, I just finished my exam and I'm here with my sister. We're going to buy something. Mama ko. Nasaan ang mama ko? Hindi ko nakikita. Nagkikita ko na. So, we're here guys. Bibili kami for our lunch. We're looking at induction cookers. And I like the 2 induction cookers and 1 induction cooker. And I can't find anything. So, let's just go to the speaker. Ganda ka sa akin! Tignan niyo to guys. Maganda ba to? Ito oh. Wait lang. Aray! Ito. Pero parang hindi siya aesthetic. Parang mas aesthetic to. Makinis lang siya ganun. 20 lang. Paging isa kong piling ng 20. Washing machine. Oh my gosh! Siyempre magka-burn. Gusto ko black na red. Ay, may pagkain. Ay. Nalampak mo na lahat. Happy birthday to me. Hapaduday to me. Hapaduday. Hapadoody-dooday. Guys, I'm currently applying for jobs. And then, meron isang job na kailangan kong gumawa ng cover letter kasama ng resume. So, meron akong resume. Tapos, naghanap ako ng sample ng cover letter. Kasi naalala ko, gumawa na kami ng dati sa school. Be, nandito nahanap ko yung aking TOTGA na work immersion. Chat. Nakita ko yung TOTGA ko na company or institution or pagtatrabahuan ng work immersion ko senior high. Bakala. Alam niyo yung pinagsulatan ko? Regional Trial Court Branch 27. Mag-aabogado ka ba? Good morning, everyone. So, naman sa handbrake. So, guys, I don't know. I'm not sure kung ano na itsura ng vlog ko na to. But I'm gonna continue it anyways. So, today, ewan ko, ano bang gagawin ko today? Kagabi, galing ako sa friends ko. Nag-hangout kami ng friends ko kagabi. And today, unexpectedly, or ako lang hindi nag-expect, manganak na yung tita ko. And, y'all, we've been waiting for the baby. Especially, ay hindi naman especially me, pero ako personally, wala lang, excited na ako. Bagong character sa buhay ko. Baby boy pati siya. Kasi sa side ng father ko, girls kaming lahat. Tapos siya, boy. So, wala. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, galing kami sa bahay ng tita ko kasi babantayan namin yung aming younger cousin. Pero merong errands. Merong pinapagawa sa akin. So now, the first thing that I have to do is magpagas. Actually, ang kailangan ko talaga is umuwi ng bahay namin kasi may gagawin ako. Pero kailangan ko din magpagas. Yung gas nandun, yung bahay ko nandun. So, agad. But it's okay.
Yes, Daddy!
Sorry, meron po kasi siya.
My problem?
Yung zoomies. Zoomies, alam mo yun?
No.
Yes, galing!
Yes, Daddy! You have to ask them, give me a bit. Ganda pala to! Lalo na to! Ay, may halimaw eh! Nakakatakot!
Hi guys! So I'm currently editing yung script para sa hosting namin ni Just sa De Bonitea. Si Just yung gumawa ng structure ng script. Inaayos ko na lang yung ibang details. Ga-add na lang ako. Tapos ngayon, inaayos ko na yung playlist para sa 18 Roses and ganun. Tapos guys, may sakit ako. Like, what the hell? Ang dami kong ganap this week. This next week. Tapos ngayon, nagkasakit pa ang girl. Pero yun man lang ang life update. So, tomorrow I have an interview para sa position sa CYO. Tapos, didiretso ako sa hotel para sa debut. And then, kinabukasan may attendan akong event sa school, which is yung SOAR. Awarding siya. Pero registration committee lang naman ako. Ay, sa registration lang naman ako. So, pero, effect pa rin dapat yung suot namin. So, we'll see. Wala pa akong damit. Hi, guys. So, yung makita yung outfit ko. So, kayo ilalagay doon. Outfit check. I'm going to an interview. And then, after that, mag-host ako ng debut. So, kumusta ka naman, dear? I love it. I love my fit. I don't know if ma-appreciate niyo, guys, but it's nice. And, I'm sick. Literal na may sakit ko. Sige, ganito ka lang. Kaya po ba natin, Divanch? Piprint pa ako ng script. I have less than an hour to do that. No. Okay na to, no?
gets her. And a round of applause for Mr. John Michael Revilla.
Thank you so much, Mr. John Michael Revilla. For the next gentleman, in every journey, there's that one friend who just quietly shows up when needed most. For Thea, that is Mr. Paul Benedict Ferraz.
Paul Benedict.
Talking to you.
Ay,
Thank you so much, Mr. Paul Benedict Ferris. And now, a gentleman with humor, heart, and a lot of good vibes. Dancing next is Mr. Franz Helix Aguilar.
May bar pala tayo. Tapos may...
di ba movie?
Original yan, so malipa din na kafin
Thea Marie at 18. Greet her a happy birthday. Happy Mar, pasok ka. Iba na, IBM na yan. Happy birthday, Raz.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Wow, ang bilis mo maglakad. Go.
Happy birthday, Thea.
Yeah. You were my baby. My boo. Oh. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's wrong. Bye. Hi guys. Just woke up and guess where we're at? Nasa Polangi na pala kami. Natulog lang sa biyahe. Today is Today is June 14. And Bicoloco ngayon. Tapos papanoorin namin yung music fest ng Bicoloco Day 1 kasi nandun ang SB19. Happy birthday to me. So nagla-lunch muna kami kasi 12 na pala. Matulog na ako. No. Wala. Yan na.
Hashtag. Flash natin sa screen.
Okay, ah.
Ayan, o, go! Okay.
SB19 na!
Pakaibilan. Para masaya. Ayan, pakipicture lang.
Pag hindi kayo gumamit ng
Andiyan na
hashtag,
talaga sila, B. Kay Ken!
excited na ba kayo kay Pablo?
Hindi na rin yan.
Ready na ba kayo para kay Steph?
Less crowd.
Oh, taking down, y'all.
Taking down.
Uwi na tayo.
Ay, natap.
Ano naman?
Oo naman.
Hop, di na mukha ko talaga.